It is hard to understand E without N. So let's quickly get into A. A stands for Angular. Angular is our client-side technology. It's a JavaScript framework in the end, which we will use to render a nice dynamic user interface to our users. It runs entirely in the browser, not on the server. Since it's a client-side technology, it runs entirely in the browser. So it focuses on doing one job, presenting a nice and pleasant user interface. Angular is popular for developing single-page applications. So what does that mean? Single-page applications renders the user interface with dynamic data and updates the view with new DOM elements rather than reloading the existing page or loading a new page from the server. Angular handles the user inputs, validates them in the browser, and sends the request to the server. The server is the combination of Node, Express, and MongoDB. Angular provides a mobile app-like user experience because we never need to reload the page. We just change parts of the page with JavaScript through Angular. And therefore, everything happens instantly in a very reactive way, and that is the feel we know from the mobile apps. So that is the front end. Up to now, we got the database and we got something running in the browser. But we certainly need some logic running on the server. For example, authenticating the users. This is not something we do in the browser because a browser code can easily be hacked or changed.